In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play PlayStation 5 on your Oculus Quest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. It is possible for you to use your PlayStation 5 in conjunction with your Oculus Quest 3. This will not be a direct connection, so you cannot simply plug your Oculus Quest headset on your PlayStation 5 and play games natively. What you will be doing is essentially using PlayStation Remote Play, which is an application available for mobile devices, and you will stream over the screen of your PlayStation game into your Oculus Quest. So it isn't going to be an immersive VR experience, but you will have a big screen simulated in the VR environment. So what you need to do is download the PlayStation Remote Play APK directly on your Oculus Quest. So you can open up a web browser directly on the Oculus and look for the PlayStation Remote Play APK. You can find it available on places like up to down. So just look for the APK using the web browser. Once you have the APK downloaded, you need to use some form of application to install it. So what I recommend is using this one, VR Android File Manager. You can use other applications like Mobile VR Station, but you need to find some way to open that APK file that you downloaded directly on your Oculus Quest headset. If you use this application that I'm displaying here, you will be able to browse through your downloads and you can open the PlayStation Remote Play APK. So it is going to be available here. So use the APK, and an APK is basically going to be the installer for the app, just like downloading something for a mobile device. Now, if you go over to your app library, you can switch to unknown sources and PlayStation Remote Play will be available here. So run the app just like you would on a mobile device, and once you open Remote Play, you will have to extend the view because, like I said, this is essentially the mobile app running on your Oculus Quest, so make sure to expand the view if you want to. And as long as you are on the same Wi-Fi network and in close proximity of your PlayStation 5, you will be able to select it here. So your PlayStation 5 should be detected. If it doesn't appear, try to go into other connections, make sure that you are on the same Wi-Fi network and in close proximity. Once you choose PlayStation Remote Play, the network will be tested, and now you will have this big screen where you can play anything on your PlayStation 5 and it will be streamed over remotely to your Oculus Quest. So you can resize this however you prefer, and you will be using Remote Play playing your PlayStation 5 games on your Oculus Quest VR environment. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.